Welcome to this video on fast charging efficiency. Does using fast charging technology mean you are wasting half your electricity? Fast charging promises quick battery top-ups for smartphones, EVs, and other gadgets. But many users wonder, does fast charging waste electricity? We will break down the science behind charging efficiency. Charging efficiency is the energy stored in the battery divided by the energy drawn from the wall. Losses occur as heat in chargers, cables, and the battery itself. Due to these losses, 100% efficiency is impossible, with real-world limits ranging from 85% to 95%. Fast charging works by increasing the power flow, either through higher voltage or current, to deliver more energy in a shorter time. Advanced chips manage heat and protect battery health during this process. Energy loss occurs in three main areas: AC to DC conversion in the charger, resistance in the cable and connector, and heat generation from internal resistance and chemical reactions within the battery. The myth of 50% waste is untrue. Typical fast charging efficiency ranges from 80% to 90%. While heat loss is higher than slow charging, it is far from 50%. Slow charging is efficient and cool, resulting in lower heat and slightly better efficiency. Fast charging involves higher power and more heat, leading to slightly higher losses. However, the time saved often outweighs this small energy loss. The impact of fast charging on electricity bills is minimal. The extra energy loss is negligible per charge, resulting in a cost difference of only a few rupees per month, which is not a major concern for most households. Heat is the main enemy of batteries, and frequent fast charging can speed up battery aging. Modern devices employ smart limiting features to restrict fast charging when the battery level is high to mitigate this effect. For best practices, use certified chargers and quality cables. Avoid fast charging in very hot environments. Also, use smart overnight charging, which often relies on slower charging when time permits. In conclusion, fast charging does not waste half your electricity. Efficiency remains high with only negligible loss. Modern devices use intelligent management for optimal efficiency, allowing you to use fast charging wisely for the best balance of speed and battery life.